Here you go.
Alright. We're gonna make the Avalanche drink. This is gonna be something real special. Look, you can drink it right there. Look, this is what you do first. Is you take the coconut juice, the Jugu D Coco brand, or whatever. You're gonna put right up there about a third. Look, see the white shit in there? That's coconut. Alright, and then what you're gonna do is, since this here rum is stronger than this vodka, you wanna put it in first. Just like that. Up to there, or so. That was just a measurement. And then you got the cheap Kamakaka 42 proof from the gas station, because we live in the ghetto. And you just put it on top. Now, since this shit is weaker than the rum is going to stay in the middle, and this fucking shit is going to stay on top, while the coconut is just forced below. So, come on now, give me your drink. I got 2 of them here, I'm going to take it with you. I'm going to take it with you, come on in. Tyler, have you ever tried this drink before? God damn it. Alright, Tyler. I've never tried this drink before. Neither have I. I just made it up. Avalanche. Patented by me. He's got to have a chaser. I don't recommend that you use any chaser, because usually people with hair on their chest do that. We wasn't even supposed to go yet. Oh my god. So, I don't have to drink it now? I don't know. Well, that's it, guys. That's it for your Tipsy Bartender. You can like, comment, subscribe below. And now, I guess the cameraman wants me to drink it. I have to. So, there you go. Whose dumb idea was that? Oh my god! Are you fucking serious? Alright guys, go ahead and try it at home. I'll get you later in the next episode.